My name's Judith. This is our baby bunny. She's called Elsie. The business is called North East Befriending and Pet Therapy Service, and we tackle social isolation from ages 4 right the way up to elderly. This is Rocky, tortoise. He's 16. He's extremely fast. Should I put him on the floor? I think without the NEA work coach, I wouldn't have known where to take the next level. The NEA was very beneficial to me to get up and running as a business owner. It was a nice safety net to know that I had that income coming in. I had a very positive experience. Always had pets. I was the child that would come home with the goat or the magpie or the stray dog. So I'm Judith and I've come with the pet therapy today. Who would like to hold a rabbit? A baby rabbit? Yeah?
It's got a lovely nature, hasn't it? It's fluffy.
I think when you're working with animals, it has got a very therapeutic experience to it, and I think they can relax.
Brings back days, memories in.
Does it bring back memories?
Oh, it does, yeah.
Brings back such memories too hard to part.
I just love animals. I do, honestly.
I'm doing very well, yeah. Currently have 10 staff.
She's the mummy.
Lovely man.
Do you like a fur?
Yeah.
I get a lot of satisfaction because I can help other people in the community as well.
If you're passionate and you really believe in what it is that you want to develop, go for it, do it.